Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we're offering a mini bike here that appears to us to be a combination of a few things. We believe that it's a modified speedway mini bike with Suzuki trail hopper parts on it. The motor does turn over. It's a Briggs & Stratton 5-horse. So the motor turns over, but we've not heard it run. It looks like it's got possibly Honda shocks on it, possibly. Looks like there were some modifications done, but we believe this is Suzuki running gear with the Briggs & Stratton motor with the speedway frame that it started out to be. Definitely good for parts. Could do something with it, I'm sure. So thanks for looking at our stuff, and good luck.